G'day. My name's Walter Ison. This is a rap song, I suppose. I don't know what the hell it is. It's a poem. I don't do exercise. I think that's crap. I just ride to town and then I ride back, and it's mostly peaceful out on the track, away from the traffic where they often stack. Right bang crash into the back of a Mack, crushed and cold, and well, fuck that. Why don't people get bikes? I don't understand. Why don't people get bikes? Well, it's a simple equation of self-perpetuation. Transport that costs little to run pumps happy endorphins all through your body, which means you'll also have fun. When you go up, there's always rolling down, and the rest is flat, so that's 2/3 rolling round. And the only reason you should care about your sweat is if you drive in your car and you stay unfit. Well, that's when you more likely smell like dog shit. Aluminium spray damming some of it, your boots catching the worst of it, and every day you put yourself through this shit just to go 2 miles. Well, it's a worry that you don't even understand that your body doesn't need quite so much sitting round, and maybe it's you who calls us the freeloaders when we ride on the footpaths and cross over gutters. Well, I'd laugh if that wasn't such a sick joke when you load up the ozone till the planet chokes. Now, just so you know, I'm not completely immune to the lure of 120 an hour straight down the Hume. I went to a meeting when I was 16. They'd invented an engine that ran safe and clean. Well, that's 30 years gone by and still not a thing. Business as usual. It's just so fucking obscene. Thank you.